What's up, my YouTube friends out there in YouTube land? I got my Casey Neistas on. I'm ready to talk about vans, and even more importantly, we're keeping it corporate. This is like the tuxedo top van right here. Look at this thing. This is something that you guys don't see very often. We got red on the bottom, black on the top. Is it all the way up? Nope. We're back to a red roof too, but this is like a tuxedo top. You know, that was like the limousines that had like the black up top. Kind of cool, something different. You don't see it all the time. Hey, and why not? I know you guys aren't gonna stick around to the end of this thing where we're gonna show you guys, oh, it was open. We're gonna show you guys the inside, what's going on in there. Definitely some cool stuff, but what is even cooler is the new set of 285/70/17s that we have on this thing. And if you're wondering how we got those tires on there without them rubbing, well, that would be a BGG Baja grocery getter. So that's what we did on the front of this thing. Is Austin's gonna trip over the wood here. We're gonna just, you know, but if you guys want to see the shop, there's what it is. We need to do another shop tour. If you guys think we should do another shop tour video, comment below. Say, we want a shop tour, and we will do a shop tour and take you into this crazy world in here.
Hi guys, it's Caden Johnson, 91 from Growing Up Garage, and today we got our brand new merch. So my dad's gonna tell you about the special that's going on.
Heck yeah, guys. So we want to promote Growing Up Garage, and we got shirts for the little kids. We got jackets or hoodies for the kids. We got awesome pink hats that Caden is rocking. And what we're going to do, guys, is anybody in the month of May who goes on our website and buys any Growing Up Garage item, for each item that you buy, you're going to be entered into a drawing. And at the end of May, we're going to give you $300 in credit towards any of the WeldTech Designs products. Now here's the little trick in it. You can't combine this with our stimulus savings, so we're kind of doing two different things right there. But guys, check out Growing Up Garage, support what we have going on here and about kids learning. So if you guys like hanging out in the garage with your mom, your dad, your grandpa, whoever it may be, you can tell them you want a Growing Up Garage shirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Kendall? Yeah?
So always support Growing Up Garage.
All right, guys, so that's the deal. We'll see you guys later. But yeah, it's hot today. It's a good warm one. It's almost June, you know? Let's jump under here, check out more important things. So we have our 6-inch Baja grocery getter kit, which is going to be our coils and our shocks, our radius arms, our modified beams. And then we've also added a steering stabilizer to this thing to make the front end awesome. So what do you guys think of the Dick C-Pack tires? This is like Dick C-Pack straight out of the 90s. Maybe even 80s. Dick C-Pack has been around for a long time. This isn't a set of tires that we normally run on these vans. And then I want to say this is going to be the American racing wheels. So if you're looking for a less expensive alternative to a method wheel, these wheels are pretty awesome, and you know, I mean, they look really nice too. So, you know, keep in mind that you don't have to go methods. There are other alternatives out there that we can help you get for your van. Just let us know what your budget is, and we would love to help you guys out. But Dick C-Pack, these things are awesome. 285/7 Trail Country. So this kind of is like, I wouldn't quite say it's a mud train. It's kind of like the RT, you know, it's like the rugged train, not quite an AT. But very cool. Just want to show you guys this as well, because different wheel and tire combinations is always nice to see. So let's go jump to the back of this thing. All right, guys, so if you want to give me a call, here's my number. It is 888-494-5850. So I don't know who that, let me know. Call the number, see where you get. That's the number that was here, at least, as you can kind of see it in the paint. Probably not me, it's like a squirrel. I'm like seeing other things. So anyways, guys, so in the back of this thing, we kept it really simple. In the back of this, we are just running blocks, U-bolts, and then of course we added a set of Fox shocks. Now this is more of what I wanted to get in here and show you guys, because this is something really important. So depending on your wheel and tire that you run, keep in mind your offset of your wheel plays an important role. And the reason why we always tell you to watch your offset is because, as you see in here, This tire, as if this articulates, will get really close and want to rub the inside of this wheel well. So even on a setup like this, I might recommend running a set of 1.5" wheel spacers on there. And if you want to add wheel spacers, you can definitely do that yourself. And I'll even throw up a card that we have a video showing you how to install wheel spacers yourself. But once you get your wheels and tires on with your lift kit, definitely take a look at this and see, because I would hate for your tires to come up, and this is a fairly sharp edge right here. I would hate for you to cut your tires and shred them, kind of like I did on my Chevy van out at TDS, where we had to like roll the fenders on the trail with a high lift jack, and that was just shenanigans. And once again, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna throw up a card right there so you can check out that video and us doing stupid stuff in our van out at TDS for all of you people that just want to watch us do stupid stuff in vans. But that is something that I would definitely keep in mind, my 2 cents on when you're lifting your Baja grocery getter, and that could be Ford or Chevy, just depending on it. So let's go jump to the inside of this. This is what you guys want to see, this customer build out. Let's go. So this is something that you don't see as often. A lot of the times the build outs that we do see in here are going to have like a wood structure, and it looks like on this one they've gone completely metal. They started to do their flooring in here. I dig that color. That is definitely a nice looking color in here. So this is going to be all but this is not the PVC, this is the wood. So guys, keep in mind, if you're gonna be doing the floors, and of course I'm not a floor expert and don't know, maybe if you are, you can help me out, but I do know that a lot of the flooring, when it is actually the wood, I tend to see more separation in them over time, because this is truly a laminate on there, and then the wood gets moisture in it, so on and so forth. I hope somebody that is watching this can enlighten me. Maybe you've done it and it's worked out great or not. I know in my van I have the plastic flooring that looks like wood. So, but anyways, it looks like they've done a cargo net up in the top for some storage, and this build out has just started. And then a ton of storage underneath here, and I'm wondering if this all like flips up or not. I don't know. So I just thought it was cool. The flooring really caught my eye, and I love the tuxedo top. I think that's just rad. But a sleeping platform, we'll have to find out what their plans are to do with this thing. But yet simple, guys. This is what I mean. Like, you can do a super simple build out. This is gonna get you sleeping. You don't need to buy a hotel, and just have fun with your van. Go off-roading. So I think that's it. That's all I got for you guys. I'm showing you guys the tuxedo van. We're calling this the tuxedo top right here. It's all business. So that's it for me. I'm Jeremy. I hope you find a little bit of, thought this video was at least entertaining. And if it was, smash that subscribe button, smash it, and give us a big thumbs up. I'm Jeremy from WeldTech Designs, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video. See ya!